Hello everyone, this is my beautiful model Melissa. We're going to be demonstrating the new double naturals from Elumen. I'm so excited because this gives us 100% grey coverage but with a beautiful dimensional finish. This not only is great for your Elumen clients, but it's also great for clients that have a scalp sensitivity. Melissa has a sensitivity to peroxide in our normal everyday colors. So that's why we've decided to use the Elumen shades to give her a dimensional 100% grey coverage with the Elumen. Let's have a look. At the moment, her grey is quite all over. She has medium to fine texture hair. As we know, Elumen is completely non-oxidative and we are excited to see how this works for her. We're using 5 double natural on the roots, and then we're going to color balance with 5 double natural and clear to the mid-lengths to ends where we have previously already some color on the hair. I'm so happy with our end result. We have a beautiful 100% coverage with a dimensional finish and a beautiful shine line on this hair. Absolutely exquisite. So this is our final result for the new Elumen line extenders, the double naturals. I really hope that you liked it as much as we did. Thank you so much for watching, and for more videos, please comment, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.